So this is a big misheveve plantation right here. So big. So they tie one string on. Good morning, friends. This is April, coming live to you from my village. And this is April's World, my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to like, share and comment my video. So right here, I'm in our homestead, and I wanted to take you around and show you the different kind of plantations, vegetations, traditional herbs. And as you can see behind me, there is a traditional hut. It's a grass thatched house. Here we call it Simba. In our local African language, in Kenya it's a sub-tribe. Luya community, we call it Simba. So speaking of vegetation, right here, this is our sugarcane plantation. It's like an acre and a half. It goes all the way to border the forest. I told you yesterday we are immediate neighbors to this Kakamega rainforest. As you can see right there, those tall trees, that's the forest. So this sugarcane plantation goes all the way to the other side, and I'll not be able to go all the way on the other side. It's like 1 acre or 2. So this is the sugarcane plantation. It's a commercial product where like there are sugarcane companies like West Kenya. In Kabras, we have Mumias Sugar Company. Here in Western region, we have Nzoia Sugar Company. So when these plantations, they take up to 2 years or 18 months to be ready. And so the company, like the farmer, which is my mom is a farmer, so when these sugar canes come of the right age, like they'll be harvested and transported to such sugarcane companies, and it's a commercial thing, so they get their money. Yeah, that is it. So, and right here we have a cassava plantation. This is not a commercial crop. So this one we use in our homestead. Mostly they are served as breakfast. This morning I ate some for breakfast. I wish I could have, but I'll show you. So this is the cassava plantation. And right here we have banana. So this is the banana plantation. I'm not so sure if it's so clear. Yeah. So from there we have sukuma wiki, a portion of sukuma wiki right here. In English they are called collards. This is one of the collards. Here we call them sukuma wiki. They are kind of vegetable served with ugali. Yeah, mostly we eat them with ugali. Alternatively, you can eat them as a vegetable. You can eat with rice, those cassava. So those are the banana plants. Some cassava, some more cassava right here. This is a sugarcane plantation. Then right here, you see these banana plants. They, after like 1 month or 2, we'll be harvesting these. And there are so many. These are the plants, the banana plants. right here. I'm not so sure if they are clear. There are so many banana plants, and all of them have crops. Like, I don't know. This whole portion is for banana plants. Chicken hatch chicks. What about banana? When banana have these banana, when a banana plant, what do we call it, guys? Do we say this banana plant has hatched? Not so sure. Tell me in the comment section, I want to know. So, and another interesting thing. So this place, as you can see, it's a bathroom. This is a traditional bathroom. This is where we take shower. So these are the stones where you step on. This is the stones where you step on. And these plants, they are used as wall, like to cover you so that no one sees you when you strip yourself naked to bathe, or you bathe, we don't shower here. So this is the traditional house, or the Simba, for my nephew. These huts are mostly built for teenage boys. Here, we ladies or girls, we don't own Simbas or houses for us, because, as you know, in Africa they believe that when a lady comes of age, like, you'll be married somewhere, so there is no need for building a Simba for a lady. They only build this for boy child. Yeah. So this one belongs to my nephew. What is interesting? So we have a hen here. They are scratching for food. These are free range chicken. Like, they look for their own food here in the farm. Oh, another interesting thing. So right here where I'm stepping, this place, I don't know if you can see clearly. Like, my nephew burns charcoal, like, it's a source of fuel. We use charcoal to cook sometimes. So these are the remains of the trees. Some of the trees he used to prepare those charcoal. Yeah. He burns them from that black soil. These one are the cassava plantation. They stretch all the way here. This banana plantation also stretch all the way here. These ones has not yet hatched. I don't know the right word. So the largest part of, like, this sugarcane plantation occupy almost half of our farm, you know, for commercial purpose. So they have to plant a lot of them, because this is my mother's source of income. And right here, these leaves, they are pumpkin leaves. These are the pumpkin plants. We also use these pumpkin leaves as vegetable. The common name, the slang name, is called misheveve. It's a trending thing right now on TikTok, misheveve. So this is the misheveve. They are growing in this maize plantation. So right here we have the maize plantation. We have maize plantation right here, bordering this sugarcane plantation right here. This is the maize. They are not ready right now. They'll be ready maybe in a month's time. So inside of this maize plantation, there are so many crops or vegetables. Like this one is a vegetable, I'm not so sure of the name. These are the collards or sukuma wiki, and these ones are beans plantation. Beans, they produce beans. Like this one is the bean, one of the bean. Is it a bean or beans? So these are the maize. So right here we have more cassava plantation. These are so young, the youngest. The one I showed you on the other side, they are a bit matured. And these one are, those were the cassava, these are the yams or arrowroots. These things confuse me. If anyone knows what this is, please tell me in the comment section. I'm sure these are the cassava and these one are the yams. And I'll show you the one for arrowroots. So these are the yam plantation. These are a traditional vegetable. In Kiswahili we call it managu. I'm not so sure if it's managu. So normally this sugar, like these commercial cans, they are so hard to chew. And we have another version of this sugar cane. They are soft. So those one are the one that we chew, like we eat. I'll show you they are on the other side of the farm. This is the version of the soft sugar cane. I'll show you the tallest ones that are ready to be eaten. There's a chick right here. They are looking for their food, insects and whatever. So these are the maize plantation. They are so big, they'll be ready in a month's time. Let's see this other side. Yeah, right here we have the cassava and the maize plantation, which will be ready in a month's time. And these are the misheveve I was talking about. Misheveve. These one are the misheveve. We also eat them as vegetable. We eat with ugali. This is another type of vegetable right here. These are their seeds. Another interesting thing here. This is the softer version of collards. They are called, in our local language, like or Kiswahili, they call it sarat. This is the sarat. Oh, these are the managu, guys. The other one I don't know, I'm not so sure of the name, but these one are the managus. I don't know if you can see them clearly. This is another version of managu. Yeah, these are the biggest version of managus. You can see the forest from this side. And another surprising or an interesting one is that there are monkeys coming all the way from that forest. They come all the way here to scavenge or eat this maize plantation. But right now we have dogs that those dogs are very helpful because they chase them away. Those monkeys fear the dog. So that's our savior right now. So these one are the arrowroot plants. These ones are the arrowroot plants. Yeah, these one are the arrowroot plants, if I'm right. My mom planted a lot of cassava. Everywhere is cassava plantation. So yeah, these are the soft version of the sugarcane. So these one are the easiest one to chew. It seems this portion is for those sugarcane. Yesterday I chewed like 2 of them. This is the remains. Yeah. This one is the soft version of the sugarcane. Let me show you. This one right here is the sugarcane. Yeah, this is the soft version of the sugarcane. This right here. And there is a kid, a goat, the young one of a goat. Is it called a kid? There's one right there eating on the banana plants. So all the way right there we have the banana plants and the maize plants. And this place is flooded. As you can see, I'm stepping in water. It rained so hard last night, and the portion of our farm is flooded, kind of flooded. So these are also banana plants, and this one is almost ready. So this version of banana, this one you can boil or fry or eat. The other one, the one that I show you first, those are for like the ripe. They don't cook those one, like we just keep them. When they are ripe, you eat them raw. But this one you can boil or cook. At the same time, they can also ripe. You can eat them while they are ripe. This chicken right here, looking for insects and anything they eat. The largest portion of this farm is sugarcane plantation. And there are another version of vegetable here. I don't know the name of it in English. But in our local dialect we call them mito or emicho. Yeah, anyone who knows them in English, I'll appreciate if you tell me in the comment section. So these are the emicho. In Kiswahili, mito. Yeah, this one, it's a whole plantation. Those are maize on the other side, sugarcane plantation and cassava plantation. Let me take you on the other side of the farm. Those are the soft version of sugarcane that we chew on. These maize, these trees, tall trees right here. Actually, another good story about these trees. By the way, I planted these trees almost 8 years ago when I had just finished my Form 4 certificate, my Kenya Certificate of Secondary Education. I planted this tree so that I'll be they give me a memory, like, and the sun is midday. It's midday. That's why the sun is at the center of the universe. My trees has grown so tall, guys. 8 years ago. I planted these trees 8 years ago. See how tall they are. They give me a memory of when I had just sat for my Kenya National Certificate of Secondary Education. Yeah, they are so tall. Very tall trees. I love this memory. And they are a portion of our farm, like where we have a stream. We fetch this stream, like they provide us with water for use in the homestead, like for bathing, for washing clothes, giving to animals. I'll show you this stream. As you can see this way, on this way, this is a path across our farm. It's flooded because of heavy downpour that happened yesterday night. And today morning, it rained all the way to midday. Right now it's around 12 p.m. And this pathway is still flooded. And I'm just stepping in with these flip-flops. I didn't wear gumboots. So this is the stream. We fetch here water that we use in our homestead. So these other one are our neighbors' sugarcane plantation. So in this village, 99% of people, like, their cash crop is sugarcane. So everywhere you will find sugarcane plantation. So this is the stream running all the way from the neighbor's side across our farm. The sun is so bright, I'm not even sure if I'm recording anything clear, guys. I can't even look on the screen of my phone, like, it's so bright, it's blocking my eyes. But hopefully I'm recording something worthy of viewing. So this is the sorry, this is where the border of our sugarcane plantation. This is the border of our farm. Yeah, so that is it. Let's take a look on the other side. So right now I'm going back home, like, to show you the other side of the farm. You see chicken everywhere, like, they are free ranging, looking for their own feed. I can hear my mom is calling me in the background. Chicken, chicken. The chick right there in the plantation. See how flooded this place is. I think our soil is clay soil, the one that holds water for the longest period. And these are some of the napier grass that we use to feed our cattle. Wow, this herb is called aloe vera. Yeah, this is the plant for aloe vera. That's the herb. So these plants, we use it like we use it to create a wall-like structure for the traditional bathroom. Let me just call it bathroom, where we bath. So right here we have aloe vera plants, and we also have a pawpaw plant that I planted earlier this year. Look how big it is. So this is the pawpaw plant that I planted earlier this year, and it has already bore some fruits. Those are the aloe vera. This is the pawpaw plant. It's very tall. It has bore quite a number of these pawpaw fruits, but they are not ready at the moment. So beautiful. Guys, this is the misheveve. Imagine this is a vegetable, a version of managu. And also this is the vegetables that I don't know the name in English. Yeah, this is another vegetable. And on the other side we have collards or sukuma wiki. And let me show you our cloth line where we hang the cloth here in the village. Well, this is a big misheveve plantation right here. So big. So they tie one string on one tree, then we tie it on all the way on another tree. So this string, we use it to hang these clothes after you wash them in the bucket. No washing machine. Yeah, and that's the entrance. Bye guys for now.